Hello and good morning, good afternoon, everybody over at Property Doctors Incorporated. My name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I know you guys spoke with Jennifer Kling a little bit, wanting some more information, and this is what this video is going to be about, kind of going over what we see from a digital marketing perspective on where you guys can start to grow your business, how you guys can get more roofing jobs, increase your profits, as well as pay your employees better. So all good things come once you start to kind of figure out a plan. And that's what we're going to do for you here a little bit, is kind of go over a plan of where you guys can begin to start growth online. So first thing, we have your guys' website up here. Not a bad looking website at all. I see you got the roof inspections everywhere. I know we just had that big storm this year, so definitely a good thing you have that on here. Latest storm info, that's great. I like that. I've never seen that before from a roofing contractor. You got your call to action right at the top. Awesome. Book online button. Click the call button right here. That's great. Should be mobile friendly. A little bit about you, online appointments, and not too terrible, honestly. But your guys' site is pretty small for the most part. Google loves content on a website. They want websites to have anywhere from 1,000 to 3,000 words of content on the home pages, and then there's anywhere from 1,000 to 750 on each of the individual service pages, stuff like that. So content is huge. You guys are missing out a bunch of content on your website. And the reason we want content is so we can put backlinks into it, keywords. That way you guys can start reaching a larger search volume, because there's a few tricks we can do. So one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we do that. And I'm going to take you guys and compare you to one of your competitors, which is Kaufman Roofing. And one of the reasons I know that they're your competitors from an online standpoint is because of this. So when I go to Google and we type in a keyword like roofers in Minneapolis, right? First thing we get are these Google guaranteed ads. This is a great way to boost your company to the top of the Google search results for many different keywords without having to worry about ranking organically or with SEO, search engine optimization. We also have these ads down here as well. Kaufman Roofing is running an ad as well in here. So they're found at the top of the Google business profile as well. So they're really tackling it from all angles, which is why they're getting the kinds of clientele that they are. So we talk about ads there at the top. Another thing right here is Google business profiles. You guys have one. I did look over it. You have a few reviews on it. Definitely want to get your guys' reviews boosted up on here. Once you start to get your reviews within the, let's see, 60s to high 50s to 60s, you guys will end up being in this top 3 as well. People can find you a lot easier. But what we like to focus on is search engine optimization, or SEO, right? Which is going to be these lower sections down here. The benefits of SEO is the fact that you're always going to be at the top. People don't have to find you. It doesn't take very long for them to find you. It's just something that you don't have to waste a whole bunch of money on ads, because ads are expensive and they're not necessarily guaranteed to work. But if people find you right here at the top, that's phenomenal. So we're going to use them, right? We've got their website up here. One thing we like to do is kind of compare and contrast websites. They have a lot more content on their page, like I was saying, a lot more to read. They got a bigger website on there, and they're ranking really, really well. So we're going to figure out how are they ranking, right? So we take their URL up here, take that, and we punch it into this tool we like to use. This is called Ahrefs. Ahrefs shows us a guideline of where your company stands with backlinks, referring domains, and organic keywords. You can see all those right here. And we want to compare you to your top competitor, which is going to be Kaufman Roofing. So right now they're generating roughly 713 organic traffic to their website every single month because of the amount of backlinks, the amount of keywords that they have. Now we want to look at you guys, right? And so we're going to grab the same thing. We're going to grab your URL. We're going to bring it over here into Ahrefs. And this is what you guys are doing right now. You guys have no Ahrefs data, no URL rating. You have 2 backlinks and 1 organic keyword on your website. So when somebody built your website, they built it with just the intent of, hey, this is kind of about the company, didn't really do a lot of research. So one thing we like to do is we actually like to do the research on what makes a great website and how we can rank a great website. How we do that is we can go into the backlinks here and the organic keywords, and we can look at every single one of these backlinks and figure out which is a good backlink that you guys want on your guys' website. We go through the entire list of all 500 backlinks, and we have those on our hands, so that if we need to go out and get those for you guys, we can do that. We know right where they're at. We know how to get them. We got the links to go get them. If they cost, some of them cost, some of them don't. Some of them are free. We always like to target free ones first, and then we go after the expensive ones later on once we start really getting some backlinks put into your website so you can see results. Same thing with the organic keywords. We want to go into their organic keyword section and figure out what are the highest search volume keywords and what position are they in right now for it, as well as this keyword difficulty, right? We want a low keyword difficulty keyword. We want to target those first. They're easier to rank for. So a good keyword for you guys would be something like this: roof repair Minneapolis. There's a 300 search volume for that every single month. Put that in the website. Roofing Minneapolis, 300 search volume for that every single month. Now let's grab another two. Roofers Minneapolis, Minneapolis roofing contractors. We just grabbed 4 keywords with a potential search volume of just under 1,000 searches every single month. And as of right now, you guys are sitting at 350. So that's triple what you guys already have for potential search volume right now to be found for. And that's only 4 keywords. So the numbers are just insane. Once we start putting in all the good keywords, you can be at anywhere from 5,000 to 15,000 searches every single month you guys could potentially be found for. So we definitely want to make sure we can go in there and get all the good organic keywords as well as the backlinks that are on your competitor's website. Really get these numbers boosting up, and you guys will get closer and closer to the top of the Google search results. Other than that, like I had mentioned, this as well, getting the reviews on this is huge. People are lazy. They don't like to go very far. So if you guys can get to the top 3 spots right here, we do help with getting Google reviews. There's a few tricks we have for it. We can put it on the website, or we like to also print off kind of like a business card where you can put a URL or a QR code on there and have all your customers that you did a roof for scan it, go on their phone, takes them 5 minutes. You can offer them a discount of whatever you'd like, and people are way more incentivized to leave you a review if you say, hey, it only takes you 5 minutes and it's going to save you, example, $50, right? So those are a few good ways to really get those reviews. But other than that, that's what I see from your guys' business perspective online when it comes to your digital marketing. There's definitely room for improvement here. So if you guys would like some more information, be happy to sit down and kind of dive deeper into this for you guys. But nevertheless, feel free to let us know what you thought of this video once you get a chance to see it. And I hope to help you guys out. So with that being said, again, my name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. Thank you guys, and I hope you have a great day.